Hey, it doesn't look like you're in the camera. Hang on. Okay, hang on. Hey, come back here. Come here.
That's my bum bum.
Your other moves. Your moves look really good.
Hi.
Okay, this sucks. Like, everyone's getting wasted. We're the only ones that aren't.
We're taking a video. That's so much cooler.
Who is that? Who? Who is that? Text it to me. You're not going to say it on camera. Who is that?
No. I can't get pictures.
Oh yeah, well, who is that? How did you get that picture?
I took it off the computer.
Are you serious? Who is it?
No one. There's one. It's kind of weird. Yeah, I came on my phone all of a sudden. That's not who it is. But
I know.
I hope people can't hear that. Why does he come up in every video I take?
I don't know. Zach hasn't come up in this one.
Now he has.
What?
Now he has.
Yeah, that's because I said something. It doesn't even matter now if I'm going out with him. It's not like I'm a stalker or anything. What are you doing? I have an urge to put these in your ear.
My voice smells like... Score.
So good. Wow, really dumb.
We have. That's how we rock it.
Happy Father's Day.
To all the dads out there who's gonna look in our MySpaces.
That's crazy. That sounded really gay though. No offense to gay people. I'm sorry. I respect gay. Gay.
I want
gay
it to
people.
be
I
my
respect
birthday.
them. What? What did you just say? They couldn't hear that, so it's probably they're gonna know.
She's a lesbian.
I'm not a. That's why I have a boyfriend.
He does. He has a vagina.
I don't think so.
Click.
You should really do that. She's gonna get.
No, I'm not.
Woohoo!
Oh,
Seriously?
no, I'm not. You bitch. Put it down.
Did I wish? Oh, I know.
You would be there with me. Just
I'm getting my nose pierced.
I'm getting whatever I want pierced.
Really get your tongue pierced. This is becoming a very long video. I think we should
Yeah.
have now.
Okay, so we'll talk to you later.
Alright.